Hi, welcome back. Today is kind of a drizzly day and I'm going between outside and my sunroom. Got a lot of winter sowing out here. My big dogs, let me show you my big dogs wrestling. They're having a blast. Yes, we still have a crazy mattress out here from when my youngest did a fort. But anyway, I'm working on measuring greenhouses to fix them. I'm working on winter sowing. And over here by that wonky shelf in my sunroom, I'll be working on seedlings and dahlia cuttings. So my dogs are having a blast. We're getting some springy type weather in between snowfall. So we've had, hey guys, I'm trying to make a video. Hey, I'm trying to make a video. Are you so excited the weather's nice? Bunny, I'm trying to make a video. Yeah? Oh, Sugar's up on patrol. All right, coming back. They're so excited that Mom is out here and that my dogs are so excited that I'm out here back and forth between projects. So today, lots of winter sowing. So come along, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Hi, I'm here with my daughter Kim and we're gonna work on some winter sowing. Right here, we'll show you the table that we're working on.
Seeds.
All right, you wanna show some seeds off?
Seeds.
We're doing a chocolate mum.
It's not chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate mum. Chocolate mum. Okay. And we're gonna winter sow some nasturtiums. So this one's called Alaska Mix.
It looked very pretty on the package.
We'll turn the package over. Pretty. I wonder if this is the one that has the variegated leaves. And this is another nasturtium that somebody... Thank you, Lisa. And look how pretty her little containers are. Her little envelopes. Thank you. And then this is a scabiosa.
It looks very fancy, like a person in a dress.
Scabiosa Stella Cosmos, Piketty Cosmos.
It's not really a picture, but it's red, so
they're pretty. Okay, we usually direct sow those, but we're going to try to winter sow them. And this one is called Roselle.
Yeah.
So we are March, I think it's the 15th. Got to see the mountains. Pretty mountains covered in snow. And we had a good warm up this week. We're going to be working on the greenhouses back here. There's 2 greenhouses that we're going to be working on, but let's get these in the soil. Okay. In this container, I'm going to put some violas. We've got this container, and my daughter just brought some water.
it's warm.
There's some potting soil. We're going to put some potting soil and water in these containers. She's going to dump it into this one. We have not put any seeds in that yet, but I did that yesterday and it kind of dried out, even with rain.
Oh, it's cool, but it's
So this is an experiment. These are pretty thick, so they should be okay out here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill these up with just potting soil, no wood chips or rabbit poo, and then I'm going to duct tape this little top to it. So there will be a lot of space that can get some moisture in there, and hopefully it still gives it a greenhouse effect. And that one's just an experiment. I'm going to do maybe snapdragons, 2 or 3 seeds per cell, see what we can do. Just an experiment. My experience so far, I've been doing this for about 6 years, is these containers dry out really fast. So this year, this is an experiment also. I have layered it with wood chips at the bottom and potting soil. I haven't cleaned out any rabbit hutches, otherwise I would have put rabbit poo in there. So they have holes at the bottom. So Kim, do you want to do this one? So all you do is you open these seeds and just kind of sprinkle them out the surface. Do you want to do that? And then anything that doesn't, I'm going to make sure that, do we have enough soil in there?
Do you want more?
We might need, no, I don't know. That's probably good. Just sprinkle it over the top.
Am I using all of all?
Yep. Use it all plus the next one. Hi, Josh. Use it all plus the next one. Good job. You did a lot better than I would have. I would have just dumped.
There you go.
You got them pretty evenly. Yeah. And then we'll put this one too. This is another viola package. So they're in that one. And just do the same thing. We'll save the plastic little containers. My hands are pretty filthy. Oh, 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 oh. Kim thinks I stole her sweater, but she stole mine.
What do you mean your sweater? It's my sweater.
Is there nothing in there?
Like
There's like 3 seeds.
4. One.
So what I think we'll do is we'll either look for some more viola to put in this or viola to put in that, or we'll mix it with something else.
We are using sneezeweed.
Isn't that a beautiful name?
Very pretty.
They look like a little yellow daisy. And then here's the other one we're going to put in there. Just some Shasta daisy. So we'll just sprinkle those in there also. Viola will stay short and the other ones will get a little bit taller. Just rip it.
I don't want to rip it. Satisfying rip.
There it comes.
Alright. Oh, that's a lot.
It's alright. Use it. I so generously. It's more fun. And then you can cut these like brownies. And just put them all over.
Just like what my hand does.
Oh, yes. Let me see it again. Where's your magical sprinkling hand?
There's nothing there.
Oh, do the next one. Your hand. Whoop, here comes the wind.
Here, my face.
Like I said, it's getting pretty cold out here, but we want the moisture because it's going to grow all this. Shasta daisy.
Yep, daisies. I think it's pretty if I can open it.
And then we'll just sprinkle those over the top. And then we'll get a lid and we will put the lid just like these.
I can't open it, so I'm tearing it.
You're good. Just sprinkle that over the top. Strum.
So rude.
I'm not rude, I'm being silly.
I know.
Okay.
It's not strum.
Where did I put that knife?
Okay,
A knife or a drill. We're going to put some holes. Okay, let me see what this looks like.
my hands are shaking. Stop it, I'm cold.
Yeah, it's getting cold out here.
I'll do it from the other side.
There's the little Shasta babies. Sprinkle the heckle. Sprinkle the heckle out of them. Just use the whole thing.
Okay.
So some people use 1 or 2 seeds. But where's the fun in that? I like to use all the seeds.
I like doing this to get all the stuff out of it.
Okay, that one will be Shasta daisies, violas, and what was the third one we just did?
Flower.
Sneezeweed.
Sneezeweed, thank you. Full.
Nope, not too full. Let's just push them down in a little bit. Okay, now we're going to plant 1 per thing, maybe 2 per thing. Probably 2. You could do it like this. I mean, you can put them wherever you want, but you could put 1 there and 1 there. And then straddle them. 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. These are nasturtiums that we are going to winter sow. I haven't done winter sowed nasturtiums yet, but I see people have good success. Is it starting to rain out here? I think it's starting to rain.
The proper word is sprinkle.
Yeah, it's definitely sprinkling. My youngest daughter, Lindsay's over there. Lindsay, say hi! No big deal. At least they're big. You could catch them again. Hi!
Found it.
Say hi, YouTube. Just say have fun with it.
Alright, where do I put these?
How many more do we have? So I don't think these ones have been done.
13.
Oh, perfect. We have plenty. So what we're going to do is we'll probably have to put 3 in some of them. Okay, put them in those holes.
Well, which ones?
Or we can just put some in like a jug.
Which ones?
So we start here. Put 1 per hole.
Oh,
That
okay.
one has 2.
Okay,
That
nope.
one has 2. I don't care. Put 1 right here.
But that's the hole that they all went into.
They all went in? Like,
Yeah.
no, 2 went in this one.
Okay.
I got 1 out.
That one has
2
like
went
3.
in there. Oh my goodness, it's starting to snow.
That one has 3. No, it's not.
Uh-huh.
No, it's not. It won't. It can't. It will not.
I think I felt snow.
No, that was rain. You felt wrong.
All right, let's hurry this up.
Rain.
It's cold. Get it in there.
More snow.
I know, right? We need the moisture, but we don't love snow. That's all gone?
One.
Okay, so we need this row and this, so I'm gonna have to go inside and see if I can find some more nasturtium seeds. I forgot a few. Here's a rudbeckia. Doesn't really say what type, but those do really well in the winter sowing. White liatris, burning hearts heliopsis.
Soup.
And we're gonna put some soup in it. And 2 things of calendula, strawberry blonde and regular. Let's get these in some soil. Look at the view we get to work with out here while we're doing our winter sowing. So this is winter sowing that we're working on out here. And it is actually quite cold. It's getting really cold and Kim's crazy to take her jacket off.
Don't want it all dirty for school tomorrow.
We might have to wash it. Look at those mountains. Getting clobbered with snow, which I love up in the mountains, not down here. So we're filling up this bin with potting soil and water for our winter sowing, and then we're going to fill up all these containers to the brim, meaning to here. This is new experiment for me right there. And then we'll go put them over by the greenhouse. Thanks, Kim.